Hey guys, it's me, Julia. In this video, I'll be going over practice test 5, no calculator section, question 16. So let's get started. This is a maximum minimum question. So I'm going to read the question. Maria plans to rent a boat. The boat rental costs $60 per hour, and she will have to pay for a water safety course that costs $10. Maria wants to spend no more than $280 for the rental and the course. If the boat rental is available only for a whole number of hours, what is the maximum number of hours for which Maria can rent the boat? So we are given the typical fixed cost plus something per hour. Find the total or find how many of those a person can fit in there and like so on. So this is, you will see similar questions, but in like different type of scenarios with like tools and other type of services, I guess. So we can construct this equation very easily. It's just the minimum and maximum part that it's kind of tricky. So yeah, so the boat rental costs $60 per hour, which means you need to put X for that. $60 per hour. So X is obviously the per hour part, every hour. So if you put for the first hour, it's going to be $60. For the second hour, it's going to be $120. Okay. And she will also have to pay for a water safety course. And I'm assuming that it's, you shouldn't assume, but it doesn't write otherwise. So I'm just going to say it, but it's going to be a fixed cost. So that's going to be $10, right? So that's not going to change. It's just a one-time payment. It's just the $60 is going to change per hour, right? So the more hours you use the boat or you rent the boat, then it increases, and it has to be in whole numbers, so it can't be 0.5 hours. You can't rent it for 30 minutes, and it's asking for the maximum number of hours Maria can rent the boat, so it's asking for X. The only condition is Maria wants to spend no more than $280. No more than means there's a wall at 280. It can be 280, but no more than 280. And we're talking about whole numbers and whole number dollars, right? So it can't be 281. It can be 280. It can't be 281 and above. So you write that using the inequality. Oh, sorry. It's an inequality question too. So add that in. Inequality plus maximum and minimum. So you construct it by writing this. So whatever you rent here must be smaller than or equal to 280, right? And you write 280. If you want to find the X, inequalities typically work the same as regular equating type of equation. So think of it as an equal. But whenever you divide or multiply by negative, that's when the sign flips. So that's the only thing you need to keep in mind. So it's going to be 3x. We're isolating minus 10 from both sides. That'll be 270. And since it's not a negative number, you don't need to change signs. And I would divide both sides by 10. And sorry. Wait, sorry. I can't calculate in my head right now. I'm gonna use a calculator. No, you can't use a calculator, but please let me use a calculator. It's really late at night and I'm just so tired. All right, okay, sorry. Wow, that was very simple actually. It's 4.5. So it's asking for a whole number. So x, the closest thing to 4.5, but something that's a whole number is going to be 4. So x is 4, the maximum number of hours which Maria can rent a boat. Thank you.